Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Disney fine dining with a recipe that's near and dear to our hearts, crab cakes from Disney Boardwalk's Flying Fish restaurant. Get ready for a recipe that's packed with flavor. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of breadcrumbs with 3 6-ounce cans of lump crab. You can use 1 pound of fresh lump crab instead. Half cup diced red onions will bring a lovely sharpness. Half cup diced red peppers will bring a sweetness and a vibrant color that complements the red onions beautifully. Half cup diced green pepper for another layer of flavor and to give a nice visual contrast. Half cup diced green onions for that fresh onion flavor. Half cup of mayonnaise for a lovely velvety texture. And to bind the ingredients together, 1 poblano chili pepper minced will add a fantastic earthy heat. 4 large egg yolks will make the mixture incredibly rich and give it a beautiful golden color. 2 tablespoons lemon juice will brighten all the flavors and add a touch of acidity to balance the richness. 1 tablespoon chopped parsley to add a burst of freshness. It's always best to add salt gradually and taste as you go. Add black pepper to taste. 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper will add a little spice and flavor to the dish without being overpowering. Mix everything thoroughly until it is completely mixed. A 4-ounce scooper is perfect to create uniform and nicely sized crab cakes. Place on a parchment paper to prevent the crab cakes from sticking to the baking sheet and will make it easier to clean up. Form your patties, making them about 1/2 inch thick. This recipe makes about 10 crab cakes. Now, to bread your crab cakes, you need to whisk 5 whole eggs in a container. Set aside. In another container, add 1 cup flour with salt and pepper to taste. Set aside. In another container, add 2 cups breadcrumbs. Start with flooring both sides of the crab cake. Then add the crab cakes to the eggs, then add the crab cakes into the breadcrumbs, coating both sides, and set aside for frying. Place the crab cakes in the pan and fry until the crab cake is golden brown. Oil should be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip to cook the other side so that both sides are golden brown. Now we can make the chili tartar sauce. To start with, mix 2 teaspoons water and 2 tablespoons chili powder together to create a paste. In another bowl, add 1½ cups of mayonnaise. Add the chili paste to the mayonnaise and stir well until the color is even and there are no streaks of chili powder. 1/4 cup diced red onions to add a nice sharp bite and a pop of color to the sauce. 1/4 cup of dill relish for a tangy, sweet, and slightly crunchy element that complements the chili flavor beautifully. 2 tablespoons capers to bring a lemony burst of flavor to round out the sauce. 2 tablespoons chopped parsley for a touch of freshness and to add a vibrant green color. 2 tablespoons of tarragon to enhance the flavors of this savory dish. 2 tablespoons of chopped chives for a mild onion flavor and vibrant green color. 2 tablespoons lemon juice to enhance all the flavors and balance the richness of the mayonnaise. 1/4 teaspoon salt or adjust to your own taste. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper or adjust to your own taste. Mix all the ingredients together to complete the chili tartar sauce. Now you are ready to make your plate and eat. We enjoy sharing Disney recipes that can help you create the magic at home for your friends and family. Please comment if there are any Disney recipes you would like us to recreate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us continue sharing delicious Disney recipes. Until next time, happy eating.